Regr3t or Shebo say NPP for the Oman Nisika.
Jesus.
Adentino onchi womuntum. So no did this NPP for the Oman Nisika. Adentino onchi womuntum. Up to now. Okay. Yeah, you are not so tone chaya. A minima aye na kufuado eba power no. Or say so ba power obe make sure so or the free SHS beba. Ampa na kufuado ba power no. Or the free SHS buy. Aye the same approach to kufuo. Kufuo a minima kufuo person obey your mampahini no or say so ba be your mampahini or the policy be by say. When your banner will call Warsaw or the free health insurance beba. And pack of 4 buy or the free health insurance near Kayano or ye. I am me and Katankata, me president Bakupe. I am President John Dramani Mahama. Or say, or the 24 hours economy beba. Me and me NDC, you know.
Abusia for me mamu nyina mo akwaba Edibagana and Sem TV so. But more this be like video na be subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so be next time videos of this nature ba also on sa ebitima kabi na also watch the wadwen or comment section wasa. Say the munim ne femi Mr. President na me wasa me besom na if by chance de me e ofe na person boan which are through number na wase no adaroma in Sabeka na news today so ya nyina akoso ni beso pa so. Now another day I came across a video and I'm watching on social media, and it took me barely 4 hours to watch the video over and over again. Now me share video no, I decided me for free say politicians are disappointed Ghana mabunu. They be make say when you earn the goodwill of the people and you fail to acknowledge the fact that you've won the goodwill of the people, as a result of that, you have to be so much principled with it, they will rebel at the right time. In Kadian Bay, I will say, youth of it, like youth or mind bimu, I don't more rebel politicians. Now, of a sudden, their wishes and their demands or the thing that they dream that they come to reality are only things of disasters.
Regr3t or Shebo say NPP for the Oman Nisika.
Jesus.
Adentino onchi womuntum. So no did this NPP for the Oman Nisika. Adentino onchi womuntum. Up to now. Okay. Yeah, you are not so tone chaya. A minima aye na kufuado eba power no. Or say so ba power obe make sure so or the free SHS beba. Ampa na kufuado ba power no. Or the free SHS buy. Aye the same approach to kufuo. Kufuo a minima kufuo person obe your mampahini no or say so ba be your mampahini or the policy be by say. When your banner will call Warsaw or the free health insurance beba. Ampa kufuo buy no. Or the free health insurance near Kayano or ye. I am me and Katankata, me president Bakupe. I am President John Dramani Mahama. Or say, or the 24 hours economy ni beba. Me and me NDC ni no. Me na mitina hano. Minji NDC fosika. Minji NPP fosika. Inti mi bisa me and Katankata me president John Dramani Mahama say. 24 hours economy ni ewo he. Me na mi bisa. Because me a Ghana ni. And then me own benefit into na me to abade mama hama. And because of Ghana into na me to abade mama hama. Inti me bisa say 24 hours economy no ewo he fan. Okay fine. What is that 24 hours economy ni to nchenya? President John Dramani Mahama if you akunya ne so a automatically no aye ye vice president no. And no beba beye flag bella di ama NDC. Policy ben or deba. Policy ben or deba because aye Dr. Mawood Baumia or say ni policy ni say or the free SHS buy. into another policy. Into me na me ye NDC no. Say ye vice president Oba no. Oba be ya say president a. Policy ben or deba. It's not that means automatically no. Dr. Mawood Bawumiano or ye far better ahead than your vice president because to me who are dear my vice president and I oh baby jinaso akase yento
eda ukura ye betoa so na items na emu orem no ya kirikire mu yeda ya hwefo ne yetiefo nyina ase so maka onyankopon ka
an amount not exceeding 316,737,758 Ghana cedis to undertake the annexed list of procurement activities. The following should be noted for strict compliance in the award of contracts. Award contracts only after obtaining commitment control compliance approval from the head of your internal audit. Award contracts only after obtaining commitment control blah 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 blah. Now yanko mame the next one na yanko he inti osha authorized procurement activities for the Youth Employment Agency 2025 projects or program goods and services estimated amount eshehonum na obuboa 70 million ena esheho 776,720. Youth in garment model 9 million. Youth in agriculture program Brenham Wenchi projects 8,345,000. Procurement of toners 800,000. Procurement for stationaries 180,000. Toiletries, detergents 500,000. 5 billion. Conceptual designing printing of staff Friday wear 2,800,000. Conceptual designing printing of staff polo shirts 1,200,000. Conceptual designing printing of staff ID card 550,000. Procure various goods for the community police assistant module 39 million. Procure various goods for the fire service assistant module 25,300,000. Procure various farm inputs and engagement of farm mechanization services providers of the Brenham Wenchi farm projects. I know you're 4,500,000. That is 4.5 billion. No. Vehicles, ties, batteries, and toolbox. And then 474,000. Afi over from what? Or is it capex? Youth in electric motorbike model 52 million. Youth in solar street light projects program 37,302,000. Procurement of vehicles 48 million. Procurement of IT equipment and accessories 13 million. Procurement of furniture and also a year 3 million. Na asem no de nwanwa ewu mu ani se sika ya mu bobodi ene enema omose omobeye no why you know from August 2025 ebisine ewahin adwuma no ewahin na figures ni bia ehihye enema ni bia no eno de se staff akom
Oliver me dasi enya mani nyonwa
two consenting adults enye rape enye defilement omo aye omo adwen so person omo koye omo ho wodem no enye ye mu bia asem ebeye yasem so omo ye omo adwen sa adekoro na omo ye no omo di bepia abonten ama ye nyina ya hwe ene ekofa se LGBTQ asemi bayi
ana se omo be hyeyen
ana omo be se odi pia abonten ana odi be hyew ana on fam pie mfiri ni dem ma abonten a oye den hyew ene ekofa LGBTQ yeti oman we mu dwen yen ho sa amre no na still petrol le kosoro na ye free covid mu aba ye ni abri yetiri ho na ye hu ne ye nye ye hu wokurum ha ye wo pertinent issues, serious issues. Any ye say Australian commission say hwan akwa hia nkrofo bi wo baabi fiti here Sam George say on tiasie kiki chese ene kofa LGBTQ nsemi bayi
what's up president Conde
me dem ba enka yen conversation
position ni bebre nso wa since ya yeto aba ye di afio e ko nanim you to no be from wa mo nfa message nso a on reply no eti no empanifo ni bebre wo ho a on hwe ni yie e wo NDC aban mu most of empanifo no won nyinya positions ni bebre no bebre hwe ni yie because ama boys no bebre kasa yes sebe ye yit uti na wan kasa ho a
Wan kasa uti wan ye.
thank you ye you are born eti abufu wo kurom no osofukum chacha no kura pa na meka kesi ni ade no because eto da bia obitimi fra me nia na ade we kura ye ne ye se yeah any ade ye fra ho a mame
that you expect that their voice would have gone very far. So that is why I'm very happy that at least we know if President John Mahama, President-elect, doesn't do it, we can hold Assemblies of God responsible.
So you're expecting, is that one of the very first things you expect him to do?
Yes. So
Ebusianfo we Dr. Regr3t. Asema wo kan nyina ni tintin tietian say President Mahama di oya Assemblies of God ni. Na when how have you seen when we said the oya first a religious bigot? This was religious bigotry, but we see yen nyina ye nhwe tie no enei reality na set in. And he is not holding Assemblies of God accountable. Neither is he calling the president to order. And I say, calling the president out, say, on signing. Instead, no, or no claim, he say he is pleased. Or say President Mahama has won his heart. The hypocrisy. Muti your mind as of for Bible na mu yisunu ekasatia oppression. And so no President Mahama baye otunenisi oba wa bonne bra justice tokunu otunenisi no so mamia bobra she has gone through the ranks akwa do chief justice. President Mahama tunenisi no so tete mame na mende mame no call pension na ni friend is an incentives or the call pension incentives scrap na bono. All of you were quiet in this country. These so-called men of God, you were quiet. And now LGBTQ na mujina su eye dede. Mujina su ki kan sem and some ke see a try say mu na mu ye saint our Ghana hanom no. Today what has happened? Why are you people quiet? Evans Lawrence Tete, you said you were going to hold Assemblies of God accountable. What happened to that? And then Assemblies of God Superintendent Nakasa Kotina TV so say that is not, it's no longer a priority. And who here? And who here your president mama so ejina ho aka say, oh, there are a lot of needs into no sa LGBTQ and who here? The likes of Nana Bana mo etumi ejina ho aka say LGBTQ and who here munya atwum. Munya atwum ne mu bayie ne mu abayi dom na aka brechi etuntuma mu de tina oman mu. Anka asem wenka nya asem bia o. Enne yeti hanom mo amusuye na levy na taxes ku ye ne yaka akwantu mu tax ne ye de abeto ye so enne da honom no. Enti na wo abroche